So please, may we come to meet you?
My name is Chief Robert Obasi. I am the Secretary of Ohanaeze Ndigbo, Lagos State.
Now, sir, talking about synergy, not quite long we spoke with the coordinator of Ohanaeze Ndigbo worldwide, Southwest coordinator. So, talking about synergy, what are the plans for Ohanaeze Lagos State in getting a very good synergy between the host community and Ndigbo in Lagos, so as to ensure harmonious living?
Yeah, so far so good. Ohanaeze Ndigbo, Lagos State has been working in harmony with all our host communities in all the local governments. We have people living in various local governments, and we have advised our local government chairmen to work in harmony with the obas and the palace of their areas. In the state level or at the state level, what we are doing is to have a constant relationship with the leaders of our host community. We have a plan of having a conference that will be coming up maybe towards the end of the year or early next year, handshake across the Niger with our host communities. Also, we are planning our Igbo Day that is coming up by October, when our host communities will be active participants in the Igbo Day celebration. With that activities, we unite and know each other very well, and our traditions and their own traditions, we have a cultural interchange of traditions, and we will move from there.
Now, talking about the communique raised by the Ezes, Ezes in Diaspora in Lagos, what is your take? Because you say you here today, it means that Ohanaeze Ndigbo Lagos State chapter is in support of what the Ezes are doing, is in support of what they are doing, and in condemnation of what just really happened now. So what's your take, sir?
Ohanaeze Ndigbo Lagos State is fully in support of the actions of Ohanaeze. What happened here today is a clear indication that both the Oha and the Ezes are together in making sure that Igbos are not put in the bad light before our host communities. We are solidly behind them. We are working with them and asking all Igbos in Lagos State to please adhere to the communique that has been issued today, that no other Igbo man should be seen anywhere trying to parade himself or trying to institute what is not in accordance with our laws in the foreign land. So we are in support of the Ezes. We are working hand in hand with them to ensure that things like this will not happen again in Lagos State.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.